Hi, this is Patrick from G.P.S. I'm here today to show you a little bit about our G.P.S. Tactical Range Backpack. It's a very good selling item for us. The key features are we have 18 different icons in our lineup, starting with eye protection, ear protection. Two things you can't shoot without. So we've got velour lined pockets strategically placed within the backpack to allow you to access them and use them. This one features a drop-down front pocket, and it comes with a place to store extra mags, a tactical flashlight, a small parts box, and a place for tools. On the side, we have an extra pocket specifically built in to hold your tape. You need tape when you go to the range, either to put your targets up or to mark old holes, old bullet holes, so you can pattern your weapon. A range bag wouldn't be complete if it didn't have a pocket for a stapler. You've got to have a stapler to either put your targets up to keep them out of the wind. In the back, you have a place to bungee up your targets, and got to have targets when you go to the range. The main compartment is housed on this side, and it comes with 3 independent pistol cases. Each case is capable of storing a medium-sized handgun, and each case comes with a divided pattern that holds 4 mags. We use tear-proof mesh to make it a little bit easier to see if that mag is loaded or not. Another key feature is this baby has a frame, a hard frame built in, so when you load it with gear, you put extra ammo, you put extra guns in the top, it doesn't ruin the integrity of the bag. It features MOLLE hardware, so you're able to attach other accessories to it. So those are the basic features of our G.P.S. Tactical Backpack. Hi, I'm Patrick from G.P.S. Wild About Shooting. I'm here today to show you a little bit about our G.P.S. Handgunner Range Backpack. It's a very unique backpack that sells very well for us. Part of the reason it sells well is we've incorporated places to store all the gear you need to go to the range, starting with eye and ear protection. Really can't shoot at any ranges anywhere in the U.S. without eye and ear protection, so we've got a built-in pocket that's velour lined for your glasses, a built-in pocket that's velour lined for custom molded earpieces or general earpieces up in the front where they won't get damaged. We've got pockets, side perimeter pockets for extra mag storage. We have a bungee system to carry your targets. You got to have targets wherever you're going to go shoot. We have an icon here for binos if you're shooting at longer distances. This particular one comes with an ammo dump cup. Ammo dump cup is used for bulk ammo at the range. This pocket here, of course, has other mag storage on the side. It's got a place for a stapler and tape on the sides, as well as tools. The main compartment in this particular backpack has a hard pocket that drops flat and has a foam cradle that slides out. The purpose of this cradle is to hold 4 medium frame handguns in a downward neutral position. What I mean by that is the cradle is cut in the center to hold the gun by the trigger guard in a downward neutral position. So it'll hold up to 4 handguns. You basically slide this back in, secure the pocket. Anywhere there's a possibility of handguns being put, you can lock it. So it comes in 4 colorways. This is our handgunner backpack.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.